Hey YouTube, it's Coolio82, and funny story. I was playing Xbox, as you can see, so I got thirsty. So I got up, went to get a drink. Oh, door's open. Open there. Look, freaking bird in there. Hi, birdie. What's up, dog? That's cool. As long as it doesn't touch the fridge. Oh, shit! Don't you dare touch that motherfucking fridge. I'll wreck your ass. Okay. Bye. I'm gonna... Oh, shit. Actually, where'd I set my bat? I just had my bat. Oh, yeah, because I went to go get the camera. Let's get this shit. I'm gonna bat the shit out of it. Oh, shit. Don't you dare touch that fucking fridge. I will wreck you. I will wreck you. Suck my dick. Suck my dick. Flying into a door is not gonna help you. I'm sorry. Fucking wreck you. Okay, I gotta go. Bye.